China, Russia, Turkey, Italy, France, United States, United Kingdom, Czech Republic, Serbia, Indonesia, Poland, South Korea, Singapore, Slovakia, Switzerland, Ukraine. The Bangladesh Armed Forces consist of the three uniformed military services of Bangladesh, the Bangladesh Army, the Bangladesh Navy and the Bangladesh Air Force. Armed Forces falls under the jurisdiction of Defence Ministry. The Border Guard Bangladesh and Bangladesh Coast Guard are under the jurisdiction of the Ministry of Home Affairs during peacetime, but during wartime they fall under the command of Bangladesh Army and Bangladesh Navy respectively. The President of Bangladesh is the Commander-in-Chief of the military. The Armed Forces Division is the principal administrative organization by which military policy is formulated and executed. The Ministry of Defense does not exercise any operational or policy authority over the armed forces. Currently, both AFD and MOD are headed by the Prime Minister of Bangladesh. To coordinate military policy with foreign and intelligence policy, both the President and the Prime Minister are advised by a 6-member advisory board which consists of the 3 military services chiefs of staff, the principal staff officer of the Armed Forces Division, and military secretaries to the President and the Prime Minister. The Directors General of the NSI, the DGFI and the BGB also serve in an advisory capacity. When invited, the Armed Forces Day is observed on the 21st of November. Official functions are held at the Bangabhaban, Armed Forces Division Headquarters, Dhaka Cantonment, and at every military installation throughout the country. Bangladesh's military history is intertwined with the history of a larger region, including present-day India, Pakistan, Nepal, Bhutan and Myanmar. The country was historically part of Bengal, a major medieval power in South Asia and Southeast Asia. The early military history of the Indian subcontinent included Alexander's invasion of India, which was deterred by the might of Gangaridai kingdom that was located in present-day Bangladesh. According to most historians, Prince Vijaya of the Wanga kingdom led a naval expedition to conquer Sri Lanka. The Kalinga War was a notable event of the Mauryan Empire in the eastern Indian subcontinent. The ancient Indian armies included chariots. The Bengal region crystallized as an imperial power during the 8th–11th century Palar Empire. The Palar emperors actually originated from Virendra, a northern Bangladeshi region. Many of the empire's cities are located in Bangladesh. The Pala military had a large war elephant cavalry. According to Arab historians, the Palas recruited mercenaries from different parts of the Indian subcontinent. Pala conquests extended across North India. The Palas were engaged in a struggle over the Kannauj Triangle with the Gurjara Pratiharas and Rashtrakutas. The Muslim conquest of the Indian subcontinent heralded new military doctrines and hardware, including well-developed artillery. The Delhi Sultanate conquered Bengal in 1204 under the leadership of Bakhtiyar Khilji, who later proceeded with an Islamic invasion of Tibet. In Bengal, the Delhi Sultanate displaced the Sena dynasty. Sultan Ivas Khilji was responsible for founding the Bengal Navy during the Sultanate period. The Chief of the Admiralty had various responsibilities, including shipbuilding, transporting personnel, elephants and equipment, recruitment and collecting tolls at ghats. The Sultanate period saw the settlement of many military officers and soldiers from North India, Central and West Asia and the Horn of Africa. The settlers included Rajputs and Pashtuns. In the 14th century, Sultan Shamsuddin Firoz Shah and Shah Jalal conquered Sylhet from Raja Gaur Govinda. Sultan Fakhruddin Mubarak Shah conquered Chittagong from the Kingdom of Tripura. Shamsuddin Ilyas Shah became known as the Alexander of the eastern subcontinent after sacking Kathmandu, Varanasi and Cuttack. The Bengal Sultanate was a medieval great power and conducted a number of notable campaigns, including the Bengal Sultanate Delhi Sultanate War, the Bengal Sultanate Jaunpur Sultanate War, the reconquest of Arakan, the Bengal Sultanate Kamata Kingdom War and the Bengal Sultanate Kingdom of Mrau War of 1512 to 1516. The naval strength of Bengal was notable during the Ilyas Shahi dynasty and the Hussain Shahi dynasty. Sher Shah Suri conquered Bengal in the 16th century and made it part of the Suri Empire. Sher Shah Suri also renovated the Grand Trunk Road around Sonagaon. His successors later revived the Bengal Sultanate. After the Bengal Sultanate collapsed in the late 16th century, the aristocrat Isa Khan led a confederation of zamindars to challenge the Mughal invasion of Bengal. Often with naval battles on the Padma River, Meghna River and Jangalbari Fort in Agarasindhur, Isa Khan defeated Mughal governors Khan Jahan I in 1578, Shahbaz Khan in 1584 and Man Singh I in 1594. His son and successor Musa Khan